Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Well, guys, gals, this morning I woke up late, so I just got here at the farm, and right now it's about 9:30. It's pretty windy outside, and it's cloudy with a little bit of sun here and there. So let's see how the day is gonna play out. You guess it, it's another squirrel hunt. So yeah. Basically, or usually if it's windy like this, the percent of seeing squirrel will be very slim. But since we are here already, let's give it a try and see what happens, okay? Nhớ rằng nó giờ phong dư, trong sen đó thì này đã tôi còn cũng đã nói thế, bắt tay nó cũng sợ li là chỉ cũng nhớ có tốt sao nó, tại vì nó tới cho mong đã tỏi cho mong bé cho nó. Chỉ ta liệu tốt cho nó nên chính tôi cho thế cho hoa chán đâu mình chỉ thế sẽ lại chế cho tên nữ tôi cho nó chỉ nói chuyện tao này nhá,但是bé họ cũng họ cho nên bé họ tốt cho nó là chế bé mua làm một sai bỏ bỏ thuốc phun nào tôi đâu nên sai nữa, okay? And all right, folks, my gear today, as always, it's gonna be my M3 compact. With the LW barrel, polygonal barrel, and it's shooting pellets, a JTS 22.7 grain, and roughly around 920 feet per second. And yeah, I'm gonna capture the kill shot with my GoPro 10 and using my Vortex PST Gen 2 Viper, okay? Right, cho phong như đó, chị nó nói chị cũng đã cho cũng đã M3 tua nó nữa, okay? Chị cũng mua từ LW lo cho lỗ từ water polygonal barrel cho nó này à, nhớ tránh nên gõ này, chị tua cho JTS pellet nên gõ point on grain, cho bộ tên nên gõ feet per second, okay? Cũng chỉ cũng GoPro nó như để tua từ này, okay? All right, folks, let me get everything ready, and then we gotta head out to the woods, okay? And just to let you know, I'll be doing another solo hunt. Today I'm by myself. Charlie not able to come because he has to work, and besides, we gotta come back here this coming weekend too. And right now it is Wednesday, and yeah, so let me get it all set up, and I'll see you guys in the woods, okay? All right. All right, guys, I came here and I saw a squirrel down there, and it's eating a hickory nuts about 50 yards from where we're at. I'm gonna try to sneak down there, see if I could take this shot. It's not the tree in front of me, but the tree in front of the other tree. Okay, there it is. All right, guys, okay, cho bún như nó nã về nó cũng chuyển tát tôi rồi. Yes, I got it. It's coming down. All right, there it is. All right, guys, I just shot that tree. I just shot that squirrel. That tree in front of me, not that close one, but the one further down. Oh, there's one over there. There's one all the way over there. Okay. Wait till I'm up in there. Okay. Okay, let me try to see if I could get a little bit closer. Oh, okay. Okay, the squirrel's running. It's running. It's going over here. Okay. Okay, there it is. Okay. It's over there. Got it, folks. All right. Yeah, so when I shot that one, there was a squirrel on this other tree over there, and then it went to the left all the way to the tree down there. It's about a good 60, 50 yards down. Let me come and grab you guys. Okay, giờ phong như nào? Tôi là auto nọ. Tôi là auto nà cho bóng đá đá. Của cho nên muốn. Folks, let me grab this camera and bring you guys down here. Okay, that's my. Okay, so the first squirrel was right here. Not this tree, but this tree all the way over here. Okay. Yeah, that tree right there. I think a couple of weeks ago I came and shot a fox squirrel on this tree too. But this time I got a gray squirrel. So it's gonna be a bumpy ride with all this brush and stuff on the way. Okay, let me bring to you guys, show you guys where the squirrel dropped. Okay, it dropped right there. Gotta put you down. Fix this tripod down first. Okay, cho bông như nào, tôi lấy tụ nạp bông nó là. Alright, let me tilt this down so that you guys can see the squirrel. Wrong way. There it goes. Alright. So the first squirrel I shot, sitting on the limb, fell down here. Oh, there it is, guys. It's a nice gray squirrel. I think I shot it here, shot it right below the ear, came out the other way. So yep, it's a nice gray squirrel. Okay, cho phong như nào. Tôi lấy tôi nạt sao tới thơ tụ nè. Right, so this is the first morning. I just got here like 10 minutes ago, and yeah, so let's go pick up that one down there, the other tree. Okay. All right. Okay, let me carry you down here. Okay. Then the other squirrel was on this tree right here, and then it ran all the way across here to the tree in front of me. Let me kind of go down here first. Sorry about that, guy. I was carrying the squirrel and my gun and this camera, so yeah. Anyway, so it okay. Oh, there it is. Let me put you guys down. And before that, let me put the gun down first. And okay, there you guys. There you go. Let me try to fix the tripod. Steady it. Okay. All right, bring it down. Okay, so then, the squirrel, cái tôi nãy kia là nhỏ chọn đông nè, nhỏ sợi của tôi bông đồ nó là. Here it is. This is the second squirrel. It's a nice headshot too. I shot it right here. Came out this way right here. So it's another gray squirrel. So there you go. We got two gray squirrel, a bigger one and a smaller one. So got two squirrel this morning. Okay, cho phong như nào. Tôi lấy ô tô nà cho nè. Okay. Để bắt tay kỹ nó. Okay. Quý lần xin này à. Okay, của mama tôi sẽ tôi lấy trả rồi này sai nè. Right, folks, it was just me again today. Charlie's not able to make it because today is a Wednesday. I got this whole week off, so but not Charlie. So I decided to come early this morning to do some squirrel hunting by myself again. And this is what I got, okay? So let me grab the gun. Okay, so there you guys go. This is the gun that took it down. It's a M3 impact. It has a 380. I take that back, a 360 millimeter low to water polygonal barrel. I think on my past video I would say like a 280, but when I measure it, it is, I mean a 380, but when I measure it, it is actually a 360. And I have a short barrel like this made out of the FX barrel system, but it is a 380. So, but this low to water barrel, it's a 360. Okay, so got two squirrel. Okay, cho phun nè, giờ đi nó chơi bây giờ một tua lựa có chơi bắt đầu nó sẽ hấp vào vô bản nào rồi nè. Alright, folks, stay tuned, and once I get on the squirrel, I'll get back with you guys. Okay, alright, stay tuned now. Alright guys, I think I spotted a squirrel over there. It's up on that tree. I hear it. It was chewing on the hickory nuts, and you can hear the sound they make. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, cho phun như nè. Cú bảy tua nãy nhá phải nói là vâng có lý do nào không từ. Looks like a fox squirrel. Oh, it is. It is. It's a fox squirrel. It's a fox squirrel. Okay, he's over there. I don't think it sees me. Okay. I think it's about like 50, 60 yards. Oh, I got it too. Got it. All right, folks. Whew, I just shot that one. I'm aiming right at the head, so I hope that's a headshot. Okay, cho phun như nè, cú cácตัวlấy tôi nạp rồi chứ, cú cho nên một sai nữa. Okay. All right, guys, let's go retrieve that squirrel over there. I'm gonna put my gun here, and I'm gonna bring you guys over here. Okay. All right. So basically, I was sitting here. Okay, I was sitting here, and for like half hour, right after when I shot those two squirrel at the field, and surely I hear like nodding. You know, a squirrel was nodding on the or chipping hickory nuts, and I shot him. It's over here somewhere. It dropped over here. Let me bring you up. Okay, there it is. Okay. So anyway, it was here on this tree, all the way over here. Okay, so it was on all the way up this tree. So it fell somewhere between this tree right here. Oh, there it is. Here it is. Let me kind of put the tripod down first. Okay, it's still moving. Still moving. Okay, sorry about the bounciness. Let me see if I could bring it down to you guys. Okay, there it is. All right, there's a fox squirrel. It's still moving. All right, there we go. Yeah, a while ago it was still twitching, but it's probably it's dead already. It's just the muscle, you know what I mean? So I shot it right here, and it was sitting like this. Shot it right here. Came out the other way. It's a nice headshot. It's a big male. Look at those nuts. But anyway, it's a big male. Oh, right. So that's 3 squirrel in, and I'm gonna go back down there and grab my gun and grab my tripod in my backpack, and we get to move on and see if we could get another squirrel, okay? All right, chào phong như nè. Tôi lấy nào không từ lời thế. Tôi té cái gì below the ear. Tập lời sát tụi nó nữa, okay? Chỉ cho tụ xin nè. Nó cái lo cool. Okay, it's a nice squirrel. So it's gonna be very good. Squirrel stew. All right, folks. Stay tuned now, okay? All right, folks. As I came here and on this road, there's a squirrel up there on that tree in front of me. And I just parked my car here. The squirrel didn't want to run away, so I set up the camera. Okay, chụp như nè, cô lo nó gì? Vậy tôi nãy nhớ sợ cho nó để cô không đây nó. Chúng ta tổng ba tổ. There you go. I think that was a headshot too. So I shot the fox squirrel. I'm gonna put my gun here and let's go over there and let's go pick it up. So it dropped somewhere down here on that tree. So it's kind of hard for me to make a video for you guys to see the squirrel fall. But I'm gonna leave you guys here. I'm gonna go and try to grab it. All right. See if I get let me see. Yeah, get from here. Okay. I'm gonna go through here. Oop. Got caught too. Okay. All right. So it was up here on this tree, and it fell somewhere down here. Okay. Tôi nãy nhớ rồi chọn đông nó nè. Chỉ của tôi chỉ là bông hồ nó rồi. Oh, nhớ này. Here it is. Oh yeah, it's a nice headshot too. Tê to hồ tên cánh trên nó nữa. All right, folks. I got this squirrel right here, and I got it right here in the head too. Got it right here. The other side has blood on it, so it's gruesome. And yeah, it's another fox squirrel. Okay, chụp như nè. Đặc biệt tôi lấy tôi nào không từ gì lại thế chứ. Ôi nó nè. Ít lẽ của ông một bên đây bé. Sai ở bên kia lo cho bây giờ bỏ nan gì nè. And this is another male. So all right, folks, I shot another squirrel. So I'm gonna move on forward and let's see if we can spot another one. Okay. Stay tuned now. All right, guys, as I came through this road right here, I saw a squirrel right where that tree is on the right. It went up and it perched on one of those branches right there. And it's windy, so see if I could get this a squirrel in, okay? Yeah, chụp như nè. Cô lo nói chứ bởi tôi nàn trên đông này nhá, chỉ tại nó nên rồi tiếp bỏ số. Cô muốn sẽ to và to á. Okay, so basically he went on the other side of that tree. Let's see if I could see it from here. Okay, there it is. It's kind of like, man, it's so windy. Okay, let's see if I could get him on the other side. Okay. Okay, there's. Okay, let me turn on the camera for you guys to see. He's right there. Okay, so I'm gonna try to take this shot. Let me see. Okay. Oh, there he goes. Shot him. I think I nicked him. Okay, kind of put this on the other side. There it is. See if I could get another shot at it. Okay, there it is. Oh, I guess that didn't go right. Okay, I see. The wind is blowing, so I'm hitting to the left. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, there he goes. Shot him? Yeah. There he goes. There he goes. Okay. I don't know if you guys could see me, but yeah, you can see the squirrel drop. I did drop right there where the tree is. So I'm gonna put my tripod here and grab you guys, okay? The first shot hit the squirrel, but I think it just glazed it. And then on the second and third shot, those were just, you know, follow-up shot, but the wind was blowing from right to left, so it was blowing to the left. And so on the last shot that I did, I kind of like adjusted a little bit to the right, and then it hit him in the head, or her. But let's see, fell down here. Okay, there it is. Let me set you guys here. There you go. I hope my camera don't roll down the hill. Let me tilt it down. Okay, there it is. All right, so basically it was right there. Shot him down here. There you go. It's a small fox squirrel. I think the first shot, when I shot at it, it hit him in the arm, and then the follow-up shot hit him in the head. See his eyes popping. So yep, there you go, another squirrel in. And the wind is starting to pick up, guys. So I don't know how the squirrels gonna react to this wind. But yeah, I'm just gonna go do another round and see what happens. And yeah, okay, giờ bao nhiêu nè, cô tôi lấy tôi làm gì tới vậy? Tại sao nó tôi chưa là, cô giờ mà tôi kể, trả lời phải là cái mù tỏ, tôi sẽ kể nó đua sẽ cho bộ na, từ là giờ trả nữa, ok? Này giờ thì bỏ tới chỉ bỏ lấy trả lo, chia sẻ, đồ hướng chúa những lo. All right, folks, let's see. Hopefully we could get another squirrel in. And yeah, stay tuned now, okay? All right, folks, there's a squirrel over here. And he's barking. He's up on a tree. So I try to sneak in as close as I can. Pretty much it's in the opening. Yeah, punya na. Mới từ nà, xong rồi đi nào hút từ. Chứ chế bên nó tôi là nhà nhớ xong đông số. Nhà một cái dây tao mà to. Okay, he's right there. So let's see if I can get a little bit closer. He's just right there, right in front of me. I guess this is as close as I could get. So this is a good 50 yards, 60. Oh, okay, there it is. It's right there. Let me see if I can get a little bit more closer. I hope the camera could pick this up. Okay, right there. Right here. Okay. He's at that stick over there. The camera's down there. All right. I'm gonna record. Okay, sitting right there, okay? Okay, when you know to now, you know. Let me see, it's about 50 yards down. So let's see if I hold dead straight on, see if I can hit it. Oh, shot low. Miss again. Oh, there it goes. I think the first shot, I shot him, and it glazed him. I don't know what happened to the second shot. Oh, shot low. Miss again. Oh, there it goes. I think because it's windy, it's blowing like crazy right in here. So I didn't account for the wind. But anyway, I managed to hit it, so I'm gonna grab you guys and let's go pick up that squirrel down there. Okay. All right, let's go. So it's all the way over here where that tree is. And it's kind of far, so I don't know if you guys could see it fall down, but okay, Japan, cũng có nào to, phong bình nó là trong cái lít thấp bỏ lại nên là ya, chỉ bỏ thì ở gì, sao mà to hơn nữa, to chỉ thôi chỉ bỏ thì bé gì mà to nữa phong là, okay, so yeah, I would like to give him on the first shot or the second, but for some reason I was not able to, and got him on the third shot. So it's better than nothing. Oh, I almost slipped right there. Sorry about that. Okay, the squirrel's dead on top of that hill. So let me put you here. Let me stabilize the camera first before I go there. Okay, there it is. All right, so all right, guys, the squirrel's right there. got him. Well, it's a female fox squirrel. And okay, so I guess okay. So the first shot, I shot him from below the jaw. It went out the other way. So basically, it did not hit the brain. And then when it was coming down, I shot him on the side, on the shoulder, went out the other way. Or it could be shot here first and shot here last, but I'm thinking that this is the second shot. This right here is the first shot right here. But I'll check on the video. But anyway, got me another fox squirrel. It's a big female fox squirrel. Very, very beautiful. And it's gonna be very, very tasty. So, all right, folks. I guess we have 2, 4, 5. So this is the fifth one. 2 gray squirrel and 2 gray squirrel and 3 fox squirrel. Okay. So the wind is picking up. So, but it's off and on. So sometimes it has like a 20 mile per hour gust. But right now it is about like 8 miles per hour. But it kind of slowed down too. And so we gotta move on forward and see if we could get some more squirrel in. Okay. All right. Japon you know. Tôi bé tôi nào không tự chế, ở tôi nào cho nữa, okay. Thì đã có dùng một tua bé rồi sẽ có dùng bỏ nán, okay. All right. Stay tuned now. All right, folks. As I shot the last squirrel down on that road, coming back to the truck, and when I was about to put the squirrel away, and I saw one running on the ground, went up on that tree, and it's perching right there, okay? So I'm gonna see if I could get a shot at it. Okay, giờ phong như nào? Tôi nào phát ta nó vậy? Thì cô lót son nói chè. Vậy tôi nào nhau phải tê. Giờ nè kia mu về cho nó phải nó. All right, so it's up on this tree over here. Okay. Damn it. Another shot. Miss again. Okay, it's over here. There we go. Actually, the second shot I hit it, and then it ran to the right, and there he goes. Yep, it dropped down there. All right, I'm gonna put the gun here, come and grab you guys. Okay, so basically, I took the first shot I missed. I think the second shot, I hit him, and then it ran from that tree to another tree. And I thought I missed that shot, but when I looked through the scope, it looked injured. And then it ran to this other tree over here, and it fell. And then when I shot the final round, it dropped it. So let's go this way. Let's go this way. It's all the way over here. Okay. All right, so basically, I ran over here. So on this tree, and then got to this tree, and when I saw it, it was injured. So it dropped right there, okay? it dropped right there. Let me fix this tripod in so I could go grab it. Okay, there you go. All right, let me go grab it. Okay, tập phong gì nè, tôi lấy tôi nặng từ là tia, đặc cá to là, right here. Oh, đặc cá gì tôi một nà đua. Okay, so this is a another female. All right, so I think the first shot, I probably injured it. Yeah, the first shot I probably injured it, and then got him on the last shot, cause here's a bullet wound right here. Okay, one right here. There's one right here, and there's one. Yeah, so this shot went through here, and this shot probably went through the bottom of the neck or something. But anyway. Yeah, here's another one, and let me bring you back to the truck. And yeah, so okay, chị của tôi lấy auto nạt this shit, okay. Let me see if I could go down here without falling. Okay, there you go. All right, so anyway, it's a good I think 50-60 yard shots. I'm guessing, I could be wrong, it could be closer, but yeah, it was kind of off a little bit, and because I think I'm shooting pellets and the wind is blowing like crazy, you know. So, but it wasn't blowing when I did the final shot, so that was right on the money. And here, when I got here, I looked around, and then I saw that squirrel down here, and and here's the other squirrel. So I just threw it down here. So yep, 2 fox squirrel right here. Okay, 2 more. I mean 1 more. So yeah. Okay, 1 more. So anyway, oh, you know what? There's a shot all the way in the back, right here. I think this might be my first shot. This might be my first shot right here, and because the wind was drifting. So, and then when it got up to the final shot, it was dangling down like that, and then I was aiming for the head. Okay, so that's it. So the first shot, it was right here in the back. Okay, all right. So we got to continue on, see if we could get some more squirrel in. Okay, all right. All right, folks, I guess I'll call it a day. The wind's picking up, and it seems like I didn't see a lot of squirrel. Saw about 10 squirrel, shot at 7, and I missed 2, okay? So, or didn't have a chance to shoot them. Anyway, yeah, got 2, 4, 5 fox squirrel, and 2 gray squirrel. So I got a total of 7 squirrel. 3 squirrel shy of my limit, so it's getting late. So I decided to just end it, and yeah, I guess me and Charlie will be back here on Friday. Okay, nhớ rồi nó giờ phong gì? Tôi sẽ nói tới gì? Từ tôi ở bên sông mông là bỏ cổ tôi na, sư của tôi xa tôi chỉ dùng lý bê tôi chỉ tao ya, chỉ tôi chỉ tao thế chỉ tài liệu chỉ dùng tôi chỉ tao tôi này ya, chỉ lấy chỉ tôi không từ, chỉ ở tôi là chọn nữa cái, của cái từ lúc Friday nó cho Charlie mà đã có tôi, okay. All right, folks. I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, stay safe, okay? See ya.